We've got a bunch of boxes to open today. I've cut them all open, and some of them are for giveaways. There's stuff behind me here. So I'll work my way through them. I've cut them all open already. This one I'm pretty sure is just something I got for me. I'm pretty excited about. I got some wheels from Shop 164. And they're really nice looking wheels. It's shop164.com. But got some cool looking wheels that I'm looking forward to trying. So I'll put them up here behind the bench. Put the card up there too. So that's that. Let's bring this one over. Ah, okay. These are ones for giveaways. Oops, don't want to tear that. That's kind of cool. That's a majorette Porsche 934 Valiant. So that's going to be in a giveaway. This one, TSM model scale miniatures, Mini GT, Miho exclusives, Pandom, Nissan Silvia Rocket Bunny. So that'll be a giveaway. And then another Mini GT. Love the color on this. Porsche 911 Carrera. So those will be fun giveaways coming up. So let's move on to another box. Okay, I got another couple of boxes on the desk here. I've got all the addresses taped up on these. I think these are giveaways. Yeah, these are giveaways. These will be fun. This one is another, I gotta get these stickers off of here. That the sellers put stickers sometimes on these things that drive me crazy. Like auction numbers and stuff. That's another Silverado, Outlaw Silverado. Did one something similar to this in a giveaway recently. And this one, I couldn't resist. It's a lowrider. It's a 65 Buick Riviera lowrider. So that'll be a fun giveaway. Get out of there. Send this. Oh, more giveaways. Jim Silva. Jim Silva. Yeah, there's stickers on here. Oh, this one I gave one of these away already once. I think this will be a giveaway unless I decide to keep it for myself. It's another one of the Volkswagen T1 Rocksters. Gave one away already, but it's so cool. Kaido House 510 Pro Street. Gave one of these away, but I couldn't pass up the deal on this. And I don't think the one I gave away before was the orange one. This is somehow. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I don't think it was the orange one. I could be wrong, but that's sweet. That's really sweet. That's the Nissan, or no, that's the 510 Pro Street. Did I have that in the right? Yeah. Okay. That is so nice. And then this one, it's still sealed, but yeah, let's open it up. It's going to be a giveaway. It's going to be a giveaway. It's another Datsun 510. It's another Pro Street. But this one, it's Kaido House, another Kaido House. This one, oh shoot. There's more seals on here than I realized. There we go. I really want to see this one. Okay, come on. Oh man, this is nice. This will be another giveaway. You gotta love the bottoms on the Kaido House castings. But check that one out. How cool is that? It's this metallic charcoal color. It's beautiful. Now look at the back wheels on that thing. How cool is that? 71 Datsun 510. That'll be a really cool giveaway too. So there's some exciting giveaways coming up. You know, I'm loving doing these giveaways. I'm having a lot of fun with them. Let me grab one more box. I'm not sure. I think I know what's in this one because it's not something I bought. Yeah. This was a giveaway on a Whatnot auction. And it's X Racers Hot Wheels 5-pack. Yeesh. I mean, it's kind of beat to hell and stuff. Really ugly. I may just throw these into a challenge, into the tub that I pull challenge stuff out of. We'll see. There's a good engine on one. That's what's in here. Last but not least, this old Hot Wheels Ford dealership toy, for lack of a better way of describing it. It's obviously a toy. I'm not going to pop these in all the way. So I'll have to take them back out. It's a Ford dealership in theory. And I'm going to do new stickers. It needs to be cleaned up. It needs new stickers. I think I'm going to do custom stickers for it. And, use it as like a diorama kind of display kind of thing. Use it for glamour shots. This is the showroom down here. I don't know why I'd put anything in there. But kind of cool. And I don't know, kind of goofy. This, as you can see, tilts up and down as you spin it. Again, I'm not quite sure why, but anyhow, I'm going to have fun with that.